Hello, my name is Julia, and I've always made things ever since I was very small. I first started my journey with Wensleydale when I went to a show and I saw them beautifully produced, black ones, standing proud and tall. I put my hands on the softest warmth of lustrous wool that you could ever imagine, and so started my passionate and love affair with Wensleydale fibre and all the things that can be made from it. I've learnt over the years to make yarn, to make tops, which is the spinner's delight, like frothy ice cream, and to go on and experiment with colour by hand dyeing, and to do all the processes from start to finish, which give one such a feeling of satisfaction, even though it means creating slow art. These are the sensory wheels, which are hoping and will be eventually in schools. I entered into a happy collaboration with a local wood artist called Mark Austin, and the idea about these is that you would be able to turn them, but you would be able to feel into them, and that for children, particularly children with difficulties, they might find them very calming and soothing. Here's another example of a panel which was based on winter ash hedge, and it was an ash hedge of considerable age. So you get the shapes and the colours and the lichens and everything else. And the idea is that the children would be able to make their own simple versions of this and make a pocket piece to be able to take home. And then finally they would be able to make a communal piece to mount onto a wheel, and that this would give them a sense of sensory purpose. I think sensory purpose is something valid in its own right. And so here's the bigger piece, which is yet to have a life of its own.